Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a quick dive into Ember Cash, an innovative app where gaming actually pays. Imagine earning cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, just by enjoying your favorite mobile games. Ember Cash makes this possible, offering a fun and easy entry point into the world of digital assets. It's perfect for anyone looking to make a little extra cash in their spare time, all from their phone. One of the easiest ways to earn in Ember Cash is through its passive mining feature. You simply open the app once a day and tap to start your miner. This process then continuously gathers small amounts of Bitcoin, known as Satoshis, for the next 24 hours. It's a truly effortless way to build up your crypto balance, even while you're doing other things. While passive mining is great, active participation can really accelerate your earnings. Ember Cash features various minigames and daily tournaments where you compete for prizes. You can also complete offer-wall tasks, such as taking surveys or trying out new apps, which often reward a substantial amount of Bitcoin. These interactive options provide a fun, engaging way to earn more. To truly maximize your earnings on Ember Cash, consistency is crucial. Make sure you log in every single day to activate your miner and collect any daily rewards. Don't forget the referral program either. Inviting friends can provide a steady stream of bonus earnings. Plus, keep an eye out for special in-app events or upgrades that can significantly boost your earning potential over time. When you're ready to collect your earnings, Ember Cash makes withdrawing your Bitcoin simple. You can easily transfer your accumulated Satoshis directly to your personal crypto wallet. It's a straightforward process designed to get your hard-earned digital currency into your hands. So, if you're looking for a fun and accessible way to earn real crypto, Ember Cash might be just what you need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.